The Chinese smartphone brand IQOO introduced its latest offering, the IQOO Z9 Turbo, to the market last week, targeting the mid-range price segment. Sporting the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, built on a cutting-edge 4nm process for superior efficiency and performance, along with a dedicated graphic chip turbo. This device stands out as one of the most affordable options in its class. The inclusion of this dedicated chip ensures precise color reproduction on the screen, automatically adapting to varying lighting conditions for an optimal viewing experience, especially in low brightness settings. The IQOO Z9 Turbo showcases a sleek and contemporary design, featuring a glass body that radiates elegance and sophistication. It incorporates stereo speakers, delivering immersive sound quality for an enriched audio experience. Positioned on the right side of the frame are the volume rockers and power button. Additionally, there are dual microphones, one located at the top and another at the bottom, complemented by a USB Type-C charging port. Crafted from aluminium, the frame adds a touch of durability and refinement to the device's aesthetics. With its flat 6.78 AMOLED display panel boasting an impressive 89.2% screen-to-body ratio, the IQOO Z9 Turbo provides a captivating visual experience with minimized bezels. Featuring a peak brightness of 4,500 nits, HDR support, and a wide color gamut of 1 billion colors, this display ensures vivid and lifelike imagery. With a pixel density of 453 ppi and a smooth 144 Hz refresh rate, users can expect fluid and vibrant visuals. Unlocking the device is effortless thanks to the integrated face recognition system and under-display fingerprint scanner. Powered by a robust 6,000 mAh battery, the IQOO Z9 Turbo supports rapid 80 watts wired charging and convenient 7.5 watts reverse wired charging. Remarkably, it takes only 39 minutes to fully charge the device from 0 to 100%, providing prolonged usage without the need for frequent recharges. Powering the IQOO Z9 Turbo is the formidable Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, ensuring powerful performance for seamless multitasking and gaming. Available in 2 RAM variants, 12GB and 16GB of LPDDR5x RAM, users can expect exceptional speed and responsiveness. Additionally, the device offers a generous 512GB of lightning-fast UFS 4.0 storage, providing ample space for storing files, apps, and media. With a USB Type-C 2.0 port featuring OTG support, running on Origin OS 4.0 based on Android 14 out of the box, users can enjoy a refined and customizable user experience. Built on a cutting-edge 4nm process, this chipset excels in both efficiency and performance, complemented by a dedicated graphic chip turbo, significantly enhancing gaming performance and immersion. The Vivo IQOO Z9 Turbo boasts an impressive AnTuTu score of 1,780,000, showcasing its raw processing power and capability to handle even the most demanding tasks. The IQOO Z9 Turbo features a versatile camera setup, with a 16MP selfie snapper at the front, boasting an f/2.5 aperture and supporting 1080p at 30 and 60 fps shooting. At the rear, the device sports a dual camera setup, headlined by a 50MP main sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS, ensuring sharp and steady shots even in challenging conditions. Additionally, it includes an 8MP ultra-wide lens, expanding the creative possibilities for capturing stunning landscapes and group shots. Moreover, the Vivo IQOO Z9 Turbo supports 4K video recording, allowing users to capture high-resolution videos with crisp details and vibrant colors. Whether shooting videos for social media or creating cinematic masterpieces, this smartphone delivers exceptional results. Before testing the camera, let's explore the camera settings, offering various options for photographers to customize their shooting experience. With video recording capabilities of up to 4K 60fps and 1080p 30fps for the front camera, users can capture moments with clarity and precision. Let's delve into some sample pictures and videos to witness the IQOO Z9 Turbo's imaging prowess. IQOO Z9 Turbo offers versatility with 3 different configurations to cater to varying user needs. Priced competitively, the Z9 Turbo starts at 2,000 renminbi shine whilst in China and is available in 3 captivating colors: white, Starbust, and night black. However, the global version is yet to be announced. Thanks for watching. Please consider to like this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye.